Good morning, my little ones. How are you all? I hope you all are fit and fine at your home. I am Reena ma'am. Kids, do you remember that what we have learned yesterday? Yes, we had learned my library. Now once again, let's quickly revise my library. Kids, this is our school library. Library teacher, carpet, chair, table, window, shelf, children, and book. Kids, let's see an activity of my library. In this activity, we are going to make a book. And for making a book, I have taken one chart paper, 5 white papers, a Fevicol, a stapler, and some cutouts of alphabet. So let's start this activity. First of all, we will fold this chart paper. Like this into half. In this way, we will fold these white papers also. अब हम इन वाइट पेपर्स को बच्चों इस तरह से एक के अंदर एक लगाएंगे. After arranging these pages with the help of stapler, we will staple these pages. Kids, do not use stapler. Tell your mama to staple these pages for you. Okay? Now, we will one by one, we will paste these alphabets with the help of this Fevicol. Which alphabet is this? Yes, this is alphabet M. Now, we will paste Y. Which alphabet is this, kid? Yes, this is alphabet B. This is alphabet O. Once again, this is alphabet O. And this is alphabet K. See? M-Y, my, B-O-O-K, book, my book. Now, you can see our book is ready. I hope, kids, you all have enjoyed this activity. Kids, yesterday I have given you a worksheet to solve. Now let's see how it has to be solved. Kids, in this worksheet, you have to cross the pictures that you do not see in the library. Let's see first picture. Do you see telephone in the library? No, so we will cross this picture. Do you see crayons in the library? No, so we will cross this picture. Do you see bookshelves in the library? Yes, so we will not cross this picture. Do you see books in the library? Yes, so we will not cross this picture. Do you see ball in the library? No, so we will cross this picture. Do you see blackboard in the library? No, so we will cross this picture. Do you see seesaw in the library? No, so we will cross this picture. Do you see piano in the library? No, so we will cross this picture. Kids, I hope you have done your worksheet like this. Kids, I hope with the help of these sessions, you have learned the concept of my library. Take care, kids. Bye-bye.